I'm getting really into these screen recordings here now that I figured it out. I want to make this video here to help you guys get started. I'll give you a couple tips as you guys work it out. Okay, so we're going to work on slides 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then exit tickets for you. Alright, so first up, we have this one here. Given the information, we need to click and drag into A, B, and C. So if we look at this purple, it says Andre needs to paint 3 squares, and he has them arranged so that they meet and form a right triangle. So we can see that this right here, this 13, is our hypotenuse because it's opposite of that 90-degree angle. We have a distance of 5 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Okay, so we're painting these, and we look at it. We have our choices where we can stay in the editing mode, so that way we can click and drag them over and into. So right here it says, from the choices on the right, drag the expressions that could be used to find the area. So if we look at that, the area of a square is going to be a 5 times 5. So we want to see that that is 5 times 5 because it's 5 squared. For B, it is a distance of 12, so that's 12 times 12, which is also represented as 12 squared. And then finally for C, we have a distance of 13. C is our hypotenuse length, it's our longest side, so that would be 13 squared. So now we need to type it, and I didn't insert the text box, so that's something that we can do. So we can insert text box. We want to make sure that we are able to provide the correct number. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy and paste this, so that way we can do that for all of them one more time. So that way A, B, and C can get our correct numbers. So we need to type in the squares. So we have 5 times 5, which will give us 25. For B, we have 12 times 12, which is 121. No, that's 11. 44. And then 13 squared is 169. So now what we need to do is add the area of A and the area of B together. So if we add those together, we have 25 plus 144. If we add those together, that's going to equal a total of 169. So what does that prove about these side lengths in a right triangle? Well, if you add together and I'm going to do A squared and B squared, you will always get the same amount area for C.